Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to create a poll in WhatsApp chat. So let's open WhatsApp, and you want to open individual or group chat where you want to share a poll. And if you have Android device, then simply tap this paperclip icon, but if you have iPhone device, then you have to tap plus icon. And now from the menu options you want to tap poll option, and now you want to type your question under question section. So like this, and then in the section with options you need to enter your options. You can add up to 12 options. As well, you can reorder options if it's needed by tapping those two handles, and if you will drag it, this will change its position. And as well, some poll settings, if it's needed. You can toggle allow multiple answers, hide voter names, and also you can set end time. So let's send this poll, and that's how you create this poll. Anyone in the chat can vote by tapping an option like this, and to see who voted for which option, simply tap view votes button, and you will see results of this poll. So that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.